Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my kitchen. Happy Tuesday, guys. It's a lovely day outside, sun is shining, it's absolutely beautiful, and I'm enjoying the weather. And guys, I just want to thank each and every one of you for your love and your support, for supporting me and my cooking journey. Guys, please enjoy my videos and please stay safe. Guys, I just want to big up Jolie and Lucy. Jolie live in Dewsbury. Big up yourself, Jolie. Big up yourself, you, Lucy. Welcome to my channel. Enjoy my videos. And guys, I'm back with another recipe today. And my menu, I'll be doing turkey roast chicken in the oven, hot and spicy. And over here, I'm doing chicken breast stir fry with vegetables. And I've got some white rice, what I'm gonna add to it. And this is all my vegetables. I've got carrot, I've got peas, I've got sweet corns, I've got white onions, I've got mixed vegetables, spring onions, garlic with ginger, tomato, thyme, and a bit of Scotch bonnet pepper. And guys, let's get started. So I am just going to wash my hands and then get started. So I'll be using jerk seasoning. And like I told you guys, all these seasons contain salt. So when you're seasoning the meat, you don't have to add any salt because the seasons already contain salt. I'm also adding all-purpose seasoning. Just a little bit. I'm also adding everyday seasoning. Guys, all these seasonings, you can get them from your supermarket and you can get them from your local grocery shop. I'm also adding onions, granules. I'm also adding paprika. I'm also adding turmeric, ground turmeric. I'm also adding Cajun seasoning. I'm also adding peri-peri seasoning. Guys, I'm adding a lot of seasoning. The more seasoning you add, is the more outstanding flavor you get. I'm also adding mixed spice. I'm also adding coarse ground black pepper. I'm also adding a little bit of dark soy sauce. Please do not add a lot because you don't want your meat looking dark. So just add a little bit of dark soy sauce. So this is what I'm adding, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. I'm also adding green seasoning. So guys, like you can see, I'm adding a lot of seasoning to this dish. I'm also adding jerk seasoning, Jamaican jerk seasoning. There's not much leaves, so I'm just going to use up all of it. This is very fiery, but it gives it a real kick. So if you're looking for real kicks, make sure you got a jerk seasoning. So guys, I've got all my ingredients. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get straight into my turkey and start massaging my turkey so that all my ingredients can dissolve into the meat. You know me, guys, I like to give it a right good seasoning. I'm not doing a lot because I'm only cooking for 2 of us, so I'm not doing a lot. And all I'm doing basically is just showing you guys how to prepare this meal. So if you're cooking for a big family, for a large family, then you know you'll have to add a lot more meat. So I'm getting straight into my turkey pieces with all my ingredients because I don't have time for marinating. And guys, you know it's best to marinate, like I always mention in my videos. Marinating is very important because it gives the meat a lot more taste and flavors. But as long as you season it good, like what I'm doing, you'll still get outstanding flavors from the meat. You just have to spend a bit of time and make sure you season it really well. So when you're seasoning meat, do not season it in a rush. Take your own time and season your meat. And season it with love. I've got all my ingredients right here in my hands. God, I'm telling you, this smell really, really good. Smell really, really good. Honestly, it does really good. My oven is already preheat. So when I finish, I'm just going to put these turkey straight into my baking thing and put in my oven to bake for 45 minutes. Guys, it smells really good. Look at it, all the seasoning, everything. That's why I told you guys not to use browning on your meat when you're going to fry it or you're going to bake it, or because your meat can turn out with a darker color. And if you do use browning, just use a small amount, just like soy sauce. That's why I use soy sauce, but what I did, I use a small amount. But if you put too much, then meat will turn out not looking very good. So guys, I've already seasoned my meat. So I'm going to put it on my baking tray and then I'm going to pop it back into my oven to bake for 45 minutes. Guys, I'm going to put my turkey straight into my baking tray. rinse out this bowl, making sure that I get all of it, there's nothing leaving it. So I'm gonna pour this straight over my turkey. And then I am going to wrap my turkey with some foil paper and then put it in the oven to cook. Once my turkey is cooked, I am going to remove my foil paper and then I'm going to put my turkey back into the oven for browning. So I'm wrapping my turkey now, I'm sealing the edge, seal it all in so all the flavors can stay in and my turkey can cook. And when my turkey is soft and tender, that's when I'm going to remove this foil paper and then put it back in the oven for browning. Guys, I'm going to put my turkey now straight into my oven and I'm going to leave it to bake for 45 minutes. So that's my oven. Nice and clean oven. Very clean oven. I'm ready now. Guys, I'm just going to turn my heat on and I'm going to pour some vegetable oil in my pan. Not a lot, about that amount in my pan. When this oil is hot, I'm gonna put my chicken straight in. And what I'm going to do, I am going to brown off this chicken. Then once I finish browning off this chicken, that's when I'm gonna add the rest of my ingredients to my pan. Guys, I'm gonna use 1 large tablespoon of curry and I'm gonna put it straight in. And basically what I'm doing, I am burning off my curry. So I'm burning off my curry and then I'm gonna put my chicken in to fry. So I'm putting my chicken straight in. Because you have to burn off the curry, guys. So I'm just going to leave my chicken to fry. When my chicken finish fried, then I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients. Because I'm making stir fry chicken. Fried rice. Stir fried chicken fried rice. Guys, look at my chicken. It's looking really good. So what I'm going to do now, because this is chicken breast and it's really soft. It's very soft, and I've cut them up in small pieces. So I don't have to brown them off for extra too long. So basically what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my vegetable peppers straight in. And then my garlic and ginger. I love garlic and ginger. I'm just gonna combine them all together. Wow, look at that. Oh my god, I love this. I love the look of that. That looks really good. Wow. Look at that. Wow. So I'm combining them together, and what I do, I just reduce my heat so I can cook all my vegetables, but I don't want them to overcook. Guys, look at this. This is looking really good. I'm telling you guys, this smell just want to knock me out. It smells so good. So good. So I'm just going to add my sweet corn. This dish is very healthy. Very healthy. And I'm just going to add my carrot and my peas. And then I'm going to stir it all in. Wow, oh, this smells so good. Oh my word. Really good. This dish is, I would highly recommend this dish for vegetarian people, people who, you know. Don't like too much meat. Guys, I'm just gonna add my rice. No, white rice. My rice is already cooked, so I'm just adding my rice. I'm just putting my rice straight in. I'm just putting all of my rice in. So I'm just combining everything together. So what I do, guys, I just make sure my heat is on very low, and then I'm just gonna leave this to simmer. Guys, look at this. This is looking really, really good. Really, really good. The smell is absolutely knocking me out. It smells really, really good as well, and it's looking good. So guys, I'm just giving it 2 more minutes, and then I'm gonna put the heat out. Yeah, looking really good, very delicious and healthy. Guys, I'm removing the foil paper now, and I'm gonna show you exactly what it look like. So as you can see, guys, all getting brown, and all these juice, I'm just pouring it all over the chicken to make it get really soft and nice. And then what I'm going to do now, I am going to put it back in the oven and wrap so that it can get some color. Because the meat is soft, guys. It's soft, really soft. So it just need to catch some color now. So I'm going to pop it back in the oven. And I'm going to leave it for about 10 minutes. And then it should be ready. Guys, I'm just gonna have a look at my turkey now and see if it's all ready. So like you can see, it's looking really good, and guys, it's soft and it's tender, so this turkey is ready. So I'm going to turn my oven off, and then I'm going to start serving this meal. It's all soft, guys, really soft. Wow, look at that, really, really soft. Look at that, guy. It's actually falling off the bone. Really, really nice. And this is just turkey pieces. Okay, so I'll be serving my dinner now. It smells really good. Guys, my meal is ready, and I'm gonna have a taste and tell you exactly what I think about this delicious meal. Guys, I also have some juice to go with my meal. And this is natural, healthy raspberry, strawberry, grapes, with a bit of hint of ginger. And I'm going to have this juice to go with my meal. Does that sound good? Guys, I'm going to have a taste now and tell you exactly what I think. Very, very nice. Very nice. Very delicious and healthy, guys. Really, really nice, guys. Honestly, this meal I would give it 100 out of 100. It is absolutely delicious. And this is my natural healthy juice to go with my delicious meal. Guys, please try and make this juice. Why did I show you how to make this juice from start to finish? It's because I've already got loads of video what I upload teaching people how to make natural healthy juice from start to finish. So if you browse through my videos, you will come across this video, and this video will tell you exactly how to make these natural healthy juices. So over here I'm gonna have a taste of my turkey, and I'll tell you guys exactly what I think. So this is my turkey. This turkey is very, very nice. It's hot and it's spicy and it's soft and it is very, very delicious. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a couple thumbs up, like and share. Subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Stay tuned, guys. There's a lot more videos and tips coming out soon. Love you guys. Bless you. Peace out.